Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Danish pastry from scratch. First, combine 250 grams of all-purpose flour with 7 grams of active dry yeast, 30 grams of sugar, and 125 milliliters of warm milk. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for about 5 minutes. Wrap it tightly and chill for at least 30 minutes to prepare for the next steps. Now, let's master the lamination process, which gives Danish its signature flaky layers. Roll your chilled dough into a rectangle, roughly 1 centimeter thick. Place 125 grams of cold, flattened butter in the center, then fold the dough over, sealing the edges. This is your first fold. Repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times, chilling the dough for 30 minutes after each fold to keep the butter firm. With your beautifully laminated dough, it's time for shaping and filling. Roll the dough to a thickness of about 3 millimeters. Cut it into 10 centimeter squares or rectangles. Place a spoonful of your preferred filling, like a fruit preserve or cream cheese mixture, in the center of each piece. Fold and shape them as desired. Let these shaped pastries proof in a warm spot for about 1 hour, allowing them to rise. Finally, it's time to bake your Danish pastries to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pastries for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. For a delightful finish, drizzle with a simple glaze made from powdered sugar and a touch of milk. Enjoy your homemade Danish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.